Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jrdigital.com. Welcome to my AI coloring books review. Now, in a nutshell, guys, this is a comprehensive training program that will show you how to use AI to create a coloring books that you can monetize and make money with. Now, inside of the training program, I have a members area access, or I have a access inside of the training modules right here, and I created my design right here, guys. So I learned the secret in a couple of minutes. I'm able to generate this beautiful, coloring books right here using an AI, which is really powerful. And you can monetize this, guys, with different kind of places. You can sell this to Fiverr, you can sell this to Etsy or eBay. There's so many marketplaces out there that you can sell this kind of coloring books and make money with this, right? So basically, guys, inside of the course, they're gonna show you everything you need to know, from setting up your Midjourney account, connecting to Discord, creating your own server, and then creating your own coloring images. And then in module number 5, how to create an AI mandalas. And then module number 6 is about the prompts and drawing styles. And then how to compile your coloring book, which is the most important thing. So you're gonna learn this inside of video number 7, or module number 7. And then module number 8 is outsourcing an amazing cover. So they're gonna show you as well how to outsource cover from Fiverr. But I have a special bonus for you guys that will help you, you know, save hundreds of dollars, and you don't need to outsource a cover, because I'm gonna give you access to a software that will create, or a cover creator software, a cloud-based app that will help you create product cover without the need of learning graphic design skills. Module number 9 is how to upscale your images for free. All right, so just like I said, I'm able to create this graphics right here, or these coloring books right here, in just a couple of minutes watching the step-by-step training, guys, and it's super easy. All right, and you'll be able to monetize this and make money with this. All right, and if you guys purchase one of the upsell, which is the OTO number 1 or upsell number 1, you're also gonna get access, guys, to this advanced training modules right here, and you'll also gonna get access to a done for you prompt that you can use, right? So video number 1 is how to find hot coloring book prompts, how to use ChatGPT to create prompts, which is really, really powerful. And then next one is how to create wonderful mandalas part 1, and then create a wonderful mandalas part 2. So they have an in-depth and advanced training modules right here, how to create an animal coloring book images for kids. So you have that right here, step by step and in-depth training, if you purchase one of the upsell, which is the upsell number 1. All right, and if you guys decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna throw in this bonuses right here that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with AI coloring books empire. Right, my bonus number 1, this is one of my best bonus that I'm gonna give away for free. I'm gonna give you guys access to a software, cloud-based app that will let you create a coloring books cover or product cover creator, something like this. This is the exact software that I use to create this product cover like this, and this is a cloud-based app. This is not one of those crappy product. This is a premium product, because if you would purchase this separately, it would cost you $97 at a monthly payment. So you're gonna get access to this, and you don't need to go to Fiverr and hire someone to create cover for your product, or to create cover for your coloring books. You can use the software and create an amazing product cover like this. All right, so that is my bonus number 1. And bonus number 2 is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to Canva Pro account. Now inside of the module right here, so let me show you the module. In this module number 7, which is compiling your coloring book, so they're gonna show you how to use Canva to compile your coloring book. So I'm gonna give you access to Canva Pro account. You don't need a Canva Pro account to compile your coloring book. So I'm just gonna give you this as a bonus if you purchase this through my link, right? And bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna give you additional 20 places to sell your coloring books. Now, inside of the course, they're gonna show you only two places to sell your coloring books. So in my bonus, I'm gonna give you 20 more additional places to sell your coloring books and make money, right? So that is my bonus number three. My bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna be showing you 50 ways to make money with coloring books, or 50 ways to monetize coloring books, right? This is really powerful because you'll be able to learn different kind of ways to make money with coloring books, right? So you're not just limited to the training inside. I'm also going to be showing you guys additional ways that you can use to make money with coloring books, right? And then my last bonus for you guys is 300,000 plus done for you ebooks that comes with reseller rights. That means you can sell this as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. So those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you decide to pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video. So when you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page. That looks something like this. The headline says, "Revolutionize the coloring book industry with artificial intelligence. Learn to create stunning images into one click to dominate the market without paying freelancers and working hard," right? So yeah, so again, inside here, they're gonna show you everything you need to know about creating and monetizing coloring books and make money with this. We have the step-by-step training modules right here, right? And if you have any more questions about this, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. Try my best to answer all of your questions. And again, all of my bonuses, guys, are waiting for you inside of your WordPress account after your purchase of AI coloring books Empire. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.